What's up, WMS?
This is Cafeteria Expectations.
If you enter the cafeteria line and all of the red squares are taken, then please wait till one of them opens. And as they do, please step on them, grab your food, come up here, enter your PIN.
When you get to the front of the line, make sure to type in your number and say thank you.
If you want to add anything small to your lunch, join in line for the snack bar. Here you can get drinks, chips, crackers, and other small packaged treats. If you want to get ice cream, make sure not to grab from the other side of the line.
This is where you get hot lunch. Once you grab your tray, you can also access the salad bars. And again, use the red squares as a guide to keep an orderly line.
The microwaves are located near the entrance of the cafeteria. When you put food in the microwave, make sure you put a paper towel on top of it. And if you make a mess, make sure to clean it up when you're done. If you can't clean it up on your own, make sure to ask an adult for help. And always remember, never put metal in the microwave.
The milk dispenser is located in the far corner by the band and orchestra room. To use the milk dispenser, you must buy a cup from the snack line. There are also water fountains over here.
The hot water machine is right by the community bowl. You can use it for hot chocolate and soup. During the school year, right here will be utensils and napkins. Always remember to clean up your mess.
This is the salad bar located in the right corner of the cafeteria next to the hot water dispenser. You can find condiments here, and it's also next to the place where you can dump your trays and your garbage.
During lunch, you're allowed to eat in the hallway, either on the steps or at a table. Always remember to clean up after yourself, because remember, it is a privilege and it can be taken away.
After lunch, be sure to pick up all your garbage. If you see some on the ground that's not yours, be helpful and pick it up anyway.
For recycling items, make sure to remove excess fluid and separate the bottle from the cap.
This is a community bowl. When you're finished eating your lunch and you have extra packaged food, you can put it in here for others to take if they're still hungry.
This is the student store. It's open during first and second lunch. Here you can buy mints and gum as well as drinks and a variety of snacks.
To purchase items, you can either bring in money or create an account. Once you have created an account, the volunteer will put down the amount of money you have onto a card. Each time you buy something at the student store, the amount of money on the card will be deducted.
During lunch, the bathrooms are down the hall and on the left. There's also water fountains. Make sure to use the bathroom before your next class.
After 10 minutes, you can either go outside or to the library. Depending on which lunch you have, you also may be allowed to go to open gym.
After the 10 minutes of lunch, you can come in here if you choose. But if you do want to come in here, then you have to grab one of these passes. They'll be laid out right here, like so. And then if you come in and there's no more passes left, that means that the library is full. And that means that, unfortunately, you have to go somewhere else, because there is a limit. If you ever need to find a book, then all you have to do is, this is a touch screen, but you can also use a key for it. Pretty much, you can type in a title or a name, and it'll tell you where to find it in the library.
Remember, computers are for schoolwork only. You can also use the library for studying.
When going outside, make sure to leave your lunch pail by the pillar. As we mentioned before, after 10 minutes, you can go out to the front to hang out with your friends or go to the basketball court and field. When it's time to go back to class, a monitor will make an announcement. At this time, you will put your ball back into the bin and return to the front entrance.
After 10 minutes of lunch, you can begin to play ping pong. Ping pong paddles are located in the box right here next to the fire extinguisher, and you can find balls in the office.
Sometimes the office might not have balls, so it's a good idea to get your own. You can get ping pong balls out of this dispenser. Make sure to share the ping pong tables at lunch. A good way of doing that is by playing King's Court.
King's Court is a game where one player is named the king, and they only have to score 1 point to win, as its challengers have to score 2. If the challenger wins, they become the king. If the king loses, the challengers rotate.
WMS is a great school. We hope you have a fantastic year.